Everyone, today we are going to look at MVC architecture in Lifetech OCMS. The model here has the capability to interact with the database, to insert into the database, delete, edit from the database. While the view here has the capability to display data to the user. While the controller here has the capability to get data from the users and decide whether it's going to terminate or it's going to send instruction to the model. Now let's go and look at the operation of the model first. Now the model, now this is the database. Here, the database table for the model. At this point, the model can insert into this database table, can delete, can edit. The next one is the view. Now let's go and look at the view part. The view part is, if we look at this form, this is a Bootstrap 5 template. Now this is the view. This is where the user see and send the request to the controller. Now let's go and look at the last one, which is the controller. And which is this controller. Now at this point, now this is the user interface. The user can decide that I'm going to send a request to register a staff. Now the controller understood that a user has sent a request to register a new staff, but it's saying that fine, I need the first name. First name must not be empty. Let's assume that I'm going to put first name there. Now at that point, now it's saying that the controller decided that a user has sent a request and is not having a first name. It's not having first name. Then it's get back to the, in fact it is not sending data to the model. It get back immediately to the view that okay, I need first name. So let's assume they are going to say that our first name is Ade. Now I click on register back. Now you can see that the controller is sending back data to us that oh fine, I've instructed the model to insert. Now another thing is that let's understand a little bit more on controller. The user can come down here to click on delete. Fine. Now you can see that the controller understood that you are not registering at this point, you are now deleting, and it's telling us that oh, I'm about to remove a record, but get me the surname. Saying that this controller understands that okay fine, it can validate, it has the capability to validate data here. Okay, before getting to the model, before asking the model to insert or delete, please, I want to validate, is this having this? So at this point now, the controller is asking the user that could get me the surname first before I instruct the model to delete. So let's assume that we are instructing the model to delete this name, Akinde, delete. Let's click on delete. You can see now that the response from the controller is that okay, model just informed me that the record has been deleted, saying that after supplying the surname from the user to the controller, the controller decided okay fine, let me tell the model that okay, delete this record, and the model got response back to the controller that okay, the record has been deleted. Don't forget that even at this point, the model is interacting to the database. The model might get to the database and discover that okay, this record cannot be deleted. Then the model get back to the controller that okay fine, the record, the surname you gave to me, Akinde, cannot be deleted. Afterwards, the controller sent back to the user that okay, the surname you gave to me, it cannot be deleted. Supply me another surname. So this is how MVC architecture work in Lifetech OCMS. Thank you so much.